Hey guys, and in the next 3 minutes I'll show you how to create insane 3D animation with your phone using your own content inside it. And if you're a beginner who wants to get into motion design and start making money with After Effects, just give me 20 seconds. And yeah guys, I'm so sorry for the little ad at the start of the video. So guys, if you want to start creating animation like Apta or other top creators who are making serious money from it, I've got something for you. I put together a beginner-friendly course with the 10 clear models and tons of project files, with more added over time. And you will learn how to design professional motion graphics, and by the end of the course you will have the skills to start working with clients and earning online. This is exactly how I started, and now it's your turn. Check out the link below this video. So guys, we are already in After Effects, and once we created our composition, we just need to import a 3D phone model in GLB format, and you can download it from the internet or from my Discord for free. And after that we need to create a new composition and just copy my properties, as you can see on the screen. In this new composition, place your 3D model of the phone in the middle again. Fill it with the size so that only the screen is inside. Also add your content and make its size relative to the phone screen. After that, hide your content, and with the selected layer of your content, make a mask relative to the phone screen. Then another one for the front camera. Change the mask for the front camera to subtract. And after that guys, we return to our first composition, drag our previous one here and make it as a 3D object. And select the dimensions. To do this, we just need to select the correct scale relative to the phone screen and move it along the Z-axis position so that this screen is in front of the phone model. To make it easier, you can turn on two screens to see how it looks from the left or the right side. And for everything to work correctly, it's important to connect your composition with the phone model using pairing. And after that, you can make any animations you want using keys, with position and rotations, and considering that you can use any content you want on this phone screen, I think it's very cool and quite fast. And guys, if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment and like this video. This will help me in promotion and I will always be motivated and continue making new content for you.